So here's my Toyota MR2 Spyder. No, I haven't done any videos of it. The reason why it's been down for a while, this happened right here. My cam broke. Yeah, I did a paint job on it. I put these fender flares on it, but it's been down for a while. Haven't had a chance to drive it with the new paint job or the flares. It's just here catching dust. I was trying to put just a regular cam back on it, as you can tell, but to take the cam off, this is the one that broke. This is just loose still. I could take it off and show you the head got damaged where it grinded down the cam. But I decided not to, because you got to take the engine out to fix that, do the timing and all that. So I decided to buy some aftermarket parts to just do it right, get some horsepower. Here's my seats. I took them out. I was vacuuming the inside, the fuel cell, and yeah, I'll show you what I got. It's in here, trying to clean it, take all that trash out. Let me show you what I bought. Alright, let me show you what I got. These are the cams. They come in this little cool thing. Let's open them up. This is the intake side. They're pretty wrapped up pretty good. I'm excited about this. These are pretty cool. I never had cams in a car before. Aftermarket cams, they all have cams. This is pretty cool. This is the intake side. Right here's the cam, where the cam sensor goes. Your timing gear goes right there. Here's the lopes, where the air is gonna come in. There's the intake. Here's the exhaust. There it is. That's pretty cool. I had never had aftermarket cams in a car before, so I'm really excited about that. And this is the ECU that I bought. This is the Apex ECU. I had this in the car before, but you have to buy tuning software for it. You can't really tune it with the controller. You can choose different tunes and change little things here and there, but it's not fully tunable, I guess, like this, the way it is right now. So you have to buy some software. So I need to do that. I also bought these rods. This, I'm gonna be brave on using this. These are the max speed rods. I looked at their website. They got pretty decent reviews. These are actually like ones that I could afford. They make some other ones out there, and they are way overpriced. And yeah, the price on them is ridiculous, so I decided to buy these ones. I'm gonna be brave. If it works, it'd be amazing. If not, the whole thing's probably gonna blow up. I'm really hoping it works. So here are the rods. Get this out of the way. We got the rods in the cam. I'm really excited about the cam. And I bought pistons as well. I got pistons 9-to-1 compression. I want the motor to be happy. I don't want a lot of compression in there. Just I'm only trying to make like, oh, here's the wrist pin. What's inside? There's a wrist pin. Oh, I done opened it. There's a wrist pin. Let's see how it fits on the rod. Oh, look at that. It's perfect. No struggle. Beautiful. Beautiful. I love it. Let's put it back in here. Oh, where's the other bite? It's beautiful. I love it. It's beautiful. Yeah, I'm trying to make at least, my goal is 500. I think 500 would be great. It'd be drivable. Not a lot of I just want it to be drivable, reliable. I don't want it to break down every day, changing the rod bearings or shaft bearings. I want it to go to the store and back, and if I need to go a little fast, I can go a little fast. There's some paperwork right here. Tells you the piston rings, how to cut on the bevel. Here's the piston rings. Oh yeah. Got the oil ring. The top and bottom. This usually come, I've never seen this like this. They usually come with 2 oil rings. Oh no, here they are. And they're stuck together. They're oily so they won't rust. There it is. I thought it was only one. I was like, whoa, never seen that before. But here they are, here's the rings. That's pretty cool. These are the sleeves that I bought. It comes with paperwork as well. It tells you how to do it. These are oily, so they won't rust. Yeah, look at that. I think on this, I have also never put sleeves on a car before. You should just bore out the engine and get a bigger piston. I actually never done this, but I think on this you have to bore the block to be able to sit this in there and bore this out so you're able to fit the piston in here. So you gotta bore out the engine 2 times, the engine and the sleeve. So yeah, I don't think these are plug and play kind of deal. And that's all I got. Later on, I'm gonna get the turbo. I don't know what turbo I'm going with yet, but I'm pretty excited. We're getting things together, get the MR2 going. It sucks that I'm not driving it, but yeah, we got most of the stuff together. We kind of need to buy the turbo. I gotta get a head, get a new head, do valves, springs on them, high frequency springs, and get new valves, oversized valves, maybe more airflow in there and everything. Yeah, that's it. Hopefully pretty soon I'll make the other video of taking the motor out of the MR2 or stuff like that. That'd be pretty great. I'm working on my Honda right now, so that's why I have not working in the MR2. That's why everything's still in there. I'm working on painting my Honda, so pretty soon I'll be doing that. And yeah, this is what I got. Hopefully we'll make some horsepower. Oh, and I will make a video on converting your 1cc harness to the 2cc engine. And that's pretty easy. I'll make a video of that, just on that itself. That way you don't struggle like I had to struggle to figure it out. Because I read forums, looked at diagrams, and there's nothing really out there. Just, you gotta find all these pieces and put them all together, and I'll make one just so you don't have to struggle as much as I struggle. And there's a lot of people that'll do it for you for $500, but fuck that. I'll show you how to do it so you can do it, save yourself $500, and get your swap going on. So, all right, guys.